Another nice method for connecting profiles is the central connector. These are available for 15 and 40 series and the 45 series profiles. It consists of 4 components. So we have a cam, we have a conical set screw, you see the point on the end, and I'll assemble this as we put this together. That set screw simply spins into the cam. You want to just engage that slightly, you don't want it to protrude. Then we have a spring and a T-stud, and you notice in the T-stud there's an indentation that'll fit the end of that conical set screw. The spring slides on the stud like that. This requires a machining service in the profile. It'll bore out the hole and create a counter bore for the cam. You want to slide the cam into place, into the counter bore like that. We slide the stud into the hole like that. And then we engage the screw. And you notice the head of the T-stud being drawn in. And that's what makes the connection. That's what tightens the connection. And as I loosen it, it slides out. And that's the action of the conical set screw inside there. Now you see that we've loosened the set screw so that we've got some play in the T-stud. You don't want that too tight, otherwise it won't go into the mating T-slot. So what we do then, and the nice feature about this is that both ends of your profile are captive. You don't need to slide this in from the end. I can slide this in from the side. I can rotate it 90 degrees and then simply tighten the connection, and I don't have to take my frame apart if I'm adding a piece. The central connector is an internal connector that's very strong and gives a clean, aesthetic look that's practically hidden from view.